Hi guys, welcome back to Bonsai Crazy. This is part 3. I'm making one more pot. Hopefully it's going to turn out to be a really nice pot like the other one. I've got some different tools today, or different things that I'm going to use. I've got some household items around the house that I've got I'm going to use to impress on the clay and make some patterns. Like I say, this is part 3. In part 4, hopefully we're going to get to do the pit fire. And I'll walk you through that at the time, because there's a couple of methods that I want to try, but I've got to get the materials so I can try it. So I'm just hoping that I'll get the materials that I need so I can try this this method. So I've laid this slab out, rolled it out, I've kneaded it, rolled it out, and I've cut the shape out. Now it's ready to put some patterns on it and make it look nice, make it look how I want it to look. So we're going to get on with that, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Alright, so here we go guys. I actually cut the slab out and I flipped it over. So this is the underneath part of the slab. Now I'm going to choose some tools, and I think my first tool is going to be this. I know it's a bit rusty, but it really doesn't matter. It's a two prong leather hole punch, and we're just going to go like this. So that's that first bit. Now I'm going to take my squirrel and I'm going to start kneading it like so. Now we're going to take this and literally just go like that. There we can see we've got nice little patterns going on there, and it looks a little bit like bark. I'm just going to sort this bit out here. I think that's a lot going on there, so I think that's quite nice. I'm going to leave that there. So now I'm going to flip it over and this is our top part. So again, I'm going to get the 2-prong and go around the right way. This is the right way. So around the edge. And then we get our squirrel again. Cool little squirrel. Yay. Dirty little squirrel. And we go down and we press. Because we want this bark lines. But we also want it to look a little bit Let's go hard rock. Right, so as this is a pot, I've got myself a circle. I'm just gonna run the ring edge around it so I can actually see a line, and then I'm actually going to smooth this bit back out, backwards and forwards, close up all the holes. Like so. Alright, so then we've got our rough centre there. Now for the sake of it, I might as well make the hole, if I can find my hole maker. Actually, I'm going to wait. I should put things in place first and then we'll make the hole. Right, so I'll show you what I'm going to do next. So a little bit like that. I don't like this here, so I'm just going to chop that. So So now I'm going to put the hole, and I think it should go one there. And one more around here. Then we need holes to hold the tree down. 1 and 2. Right, so there we go guys, there's the third pot made. Hopefully this one is going to turn out alright. And the next time out I see you, we'll have an in-depth conversation about pit firing, the process, what I'm going to do, because I can't bisque fire before I actually put it in the flames. So there's a few ideas that I've got, and hopefully some of them will work out. So I know some of them are going to be in the pit and they'll get burnt and whatever else, but we'll see how that works out. We'll see what we can do to avoid that and make it look really nice. So I'll see you on the next one, guys. Cheers. Ta-da.